Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the complete answer of the exercise Living Creatures Exploring Their Characteristics. This video is for class 6 and for science students. So here in this video, we will cover entire question. So first question is, that is the MCQ type questions are here. Which of the following characteristic distinguishes living organism from non-living organism? Non-living objects. The among these options, that is the A is a correct option, that is respiration. Now the next question is, which process is responsible for movement of water in plant towards sunlight? The options are phototropism. So the A is a correct option among the given option. Now the next question is, what is the primary factors required to trigger seeds germination? That is the water. So B is a correct option for the given question. Next is, which stage of mosquito's life cycle involves in resting phase before becoming a adult? That is the pupa is a correct option. That is the B is a correct option among the given options. Now the next question is, which of the following seeds requires darkness to germinate? That is the Ginea is a correct answer. So A is a correct option given option in the given option. Next is fill in the blanks. So first is, excretion is the process through which the living organism eliminate water waste from bodies. The next is, tadpole is a stage in the life cycle of frog where it has a long tails and no legs. The next is, the primary roles of water in seed germination is to soften the seeds coats and activate enzymes. Now the next is, plant grow towards light and in movement, that is called phototropism. Next is, crystograph is the device invented by Jagdish Chandra Basu to measure the plant's growth. The next is, true false questions are here. First is, living organism can grow and reproduce while non-living object cannot. Yes, this is true. The next is, mosquito larva is also known as timber. No, this is false. See, the mosquito larva, that is known as pupa and not larva. That is and larva, not larva. The next is, phototropism is a movement of plant roots towards the water and yes, this is false. The next is, the explanation is, phototropism in the movement towards the light, not in water. Movements towards the water is, that is known as heterotropism. Now the next question is, seeds can germinate without soil if provided with the moisture and air. Yes, this is true. The next question is, frog eggs are protected by a jelly-like substance that prevents them from drying out. That is the true is here. Now the next is, define the following terms. So the first is phototropism, the movement of water plants towards the light, that is called phototropism. Next is seed germination, the process where seeds start to grow into a plant, that is the seed germination. Next is excretions, the process of removing waste from the body, that is called excretion. Next is life cycle, the stages at living things goes through from a birth to becoming an adult, that is life cycle. Next is respiration, the process by which living things use oxygen to release energy from the food, that is called respiration. Now the next question is, that is match the columns. Here two columns are here, A and B columns. In the A columns, the options are given here, and in the B columns, that is the correct options is here. We have written the correct options in the column B. So first is seed germination, and the correct answer is B, that is growth of plant from a seed. Next is phototropism. So the correct answer is A, that is movement towards the light. Next is froglet. The correct answer is C, that is intermediate stage in the frog. The next is excretion. The correct answer is D, eliminations of body waste. Next is tadpole. The correct answer is E. Stages with tails and no legs. Now the next is statements are given here and we have to give the proper reason for each statement. First statement is water is essential for breaking down the seeds coating during the germination. The answer is water softens the seeds coats so that what plant can come out and grow. Next statement is plants exhibit prototropism to maximize their exposure to sunlight. The reason is plants need sunlight to make food, so they grow towards the light. Next is excretion is necessary to maintain the health of the living organism. The reason is removing waste keeps the body clean and healthy. Next is seed can generate even without soil if conditions like water and oxygen and waters are provided. The reason is water and air are more important than soil for seed to start growing. Now the next question is the froglet is an important stage in the life cycle of frog as it transitions to adulthood. The reason is a froglet grows the legs and becomes a young frog before turning into an adult. Now the next type of question is answer in brief. We have to give the brief answer of this question. The first question is why is water important in seed germination process? The answer is water softens the seed coats and helps the body plants come out and grow. The next question is how does phototropism helps plants grow? The answer is plants grow towards light to get more sunlight and make their foods. The next question is what roles does the tadpole stage plays in the life cycle of a frog? The answer of the question is the tadpole is the baby stage where the frog lives in water and grows into a frog. The next question is why do mosquito eggs need stagnant water to hatch? The answer is mosquito eggs hatch in the still water because it is safe and helps them to grow properly. The next question is what is the purpose of excretion in living organism? The main purpose of the living excretion is to remove waste from the body to keep the organism healthy. Now the next type question is answer in detail. We have to give the answer in detail. The first question is discuss the importance of distinguishing living from non-living things with examples. So the answer is living things grow, breathe, move and reproduce. Examples are human and animals. The next is non-living things do not do these things like chair and rocks, etc. The next question is explain the stages of seed germination and factors influencing it. The answer first the seeds absorb water, next then the seed coat breaks, next what happened this small roots and shoot come out, next it grows into the plant, water, air and warmth help the seed to grow. The next is describe the life cycle of mosquito and how each stages contribute its survival. See there is a diagram, proper diagram is here. You have to draw those diagram first. Then after you will write this the theoretical answer. The first is the mosquito starts at an egg and then becomes a larva, then pupa and finally adult mosquitoes. Each stage helps to grow and change shape to survive. The next question is compare the movement of plants in response to gravity and light. The answer is plants grow towards the light. This is called phototropism. Next is roots grow downward due to gravity. This is called gravitotropism. The next and last question is highlight the similarities and differences in the life cycle of frog and mosquitoes. So first of all, similarity is both go through the different stages egg, larva, pupa, adult. Now the next is both start life in water. The differences are frog have the tadpole stage, mosquito have the larva and pupa. And the next is frog grows legs and lungs, mosquito grows wings. With this, if you have any confusion, you may ask the question in the comment box. I will try to give the response as soon as possible. With this, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.